Welcome to Things in My Head. I'm your host, Angel Birch. This is how things work. Each week, we present a topic or discussion. It might be a specific question or a product that we review. And occasionally, we might even throw a poll up on our website. You can participate by leaving your comments and opinions at our website at www.thingsinmyheadblog.com or on Facebook or Twitter using hashtag #ThingsInMyHead. So, without further delay, let's get this week's discussion going.
Hey, everybody. I am so glad you could join me today because today is an internet surf party. That means that I'm going to show you the places that I hang out on the internet. But first, you have to go to our website, which is www.thingsinmyheadblog.com. Go there and follow along with me because all of the links for the websites and their Facebook pages are on our website. When you go to these websites, guys, just take a minute and hit that comments button and just let them know that you were there and that Angel from Things in My Head sent you and said hi. Maybe, you're going to read their blog and you're really going to like it. So you also want to subscribe to their blog so that you don't miss any of their updates or any of their new blogs because some of them blog every day. And I wouldn't be able to do that because I don't have that much going on in my life. So when you go to these blogs, just hit that button that says comments down there. Leave a little comment. Usually you just have to leave your name, your website, and your email address. So let's get to our internet surf party. I'm so excited. Okay, because I want to share these websites with you. These websites are amazing. I have to admit, I like country things. I don't like country music so much. Sorry, guys. But I like having country decor. I like living out in the country. I like homemade pies and homemade butter and homemade ice cream and all of the animals. I'm a huge, huge animal lover and I love cows. Anyways, so I love homesteading blogs. So my first two blogs are actually homesteading blogs. And the first one that I want to talk to you about is called Prairie Homestead. And that's written by a fellow blogger friend of mine, Jill Winger. Jill blogs about everything. The reason why I love her so much is because she has, kind of a fetish like I do with cows. I don't know if it's a fetish or not. But anyways, I really like cows and she really likes cows. And I like chickens too. And she has some of those. And she talks about all of her little babies on the farm. And she's got little ducks on her website. But anyways, aside from that, she gives you some really good recipes and some information. She's got things like homemade tortillas. Mini farming on one income is one of her categories. And I love that because I actually live in the country, but I don't live on a farm or anything like that. But I can kind of incorporate them into my little space, and I feel like I have my own little mini farm, and it's kind of cool, but I don't have any chickens yet. I want chickens. Go to theprairiehomestead.com. Take a look at Jill's site. You're going to fall in love with her site. I guarantee it. If you like farms and anything farming and homemade recipes and things you are going to love her site. Okay, so I also have another homesteading blog that I go to, and this one's a little bit different. This next blog is called It's a Boy's Life, and it's written by Sarah Britton Toney. Now, It's a Boy's Life is actually, it's not all about boys, but she does have boys, and her boys are rough and tumble, and they love playing out in the dirt. She also has a little girl, too, and she blogs about homeschooling. She blogs some of the recipes that she did. Now, I'm kind of a little upset with Sarah right now and she's going to listen to this and say, why is she upset with me? Okay, Sarah, I'm upset with you because you got me totally addicted to canned peaches. Oh my gosh, she went picking peaches with her kids and it was so adorable. And so I read the blog and I read all about her canning these peaches, and now she's got all these different recipes that she's canning these peaches with, honey peaches. She's got a lot of really, really good gardening tips. I go there just because she can find a way to do something that costs you very little money. I think she even lays out this one section of garden tools on a budget and things that you could do if you didn't want to spend a whole lot of money. I mean, just the pictures alone on this website are worth seeing. They're amazing. She's an amazing photographer. Her kids are adorable. And the food just makes you salivate every time I'm looking at the website now and my mouth is watering. So anyways, that website is actually at allboyhomeschool.blogspot.com. And if you go to thefreerangelife.com, you're going to see all of her gardening stuff, all of her farm stuff. You'll meet the herd. But yeah, the two blogs together, they complement each other, and it's just a wonderful place to hang out. And the link again is on our website at www.thingsinmyheadblog.com. So, and you can find all of these people on Facebook. I've got the links on our website to their Facebook page. So my next favorite place to hang out on the web is called justfab.com. Now, this site actually started out a few years ago as a membership site. You would sign up for free. You had like a limited selection of things to look at, and you could pick whatever you wanted to for $39.95. But it used to be like a monthly thing that they would charge you $39.95 every month, irregardless of whether you got a pair of shoes or you didn't. Now, you don't have to do that. Now, it's just a pay when you buy thing. They don't charge you monthly. It's free to sign up. It's always free to look. Sometimes you get some really, really good deals because none of their shoes are over $39.95. In fact, a lot of them are under $39.95. And let me tell you, you get some really hot, killer-looking shoes. I think you're going to find something that you love. And not only that, not only do they have the shoes, but they got the belts, accessories, they got handbags. Anyways, go to justfab.com through my website, and you're going to get a discount because anyone who signs up through an affiliate link, which is what mine is, they get a little something, like you might get a 2-for-1, or you actually, some people are getting free pair of shoes, free shipping, free shoes. So that's $40. I would do that in a heartbeat. So go to my blog at www.thingsinmyheadblog.com. Go about the middle of the page and you'll see the Just Fab link. It's an affiliate link. Now, the only thing that I get is I will get like a credit in their store, and it depends on how many people actually click. I think you have to have like 50 people click on it, and you might get like $2 off or something like that. Anyways, good for you guys to do it because you get either a 2-for-1 or a freebie for something like that. It's totally worth it. Justfab.com, go there. My next website, it's another blog, and this lady become one of my best buds on the internet. Her name is Renee Weatherford. She has a really cool job. She goes to people's houses and organizes everything, and I totally need her to come to my house and organize. Her being a professional organizer, she'll do these blog posts about like how to organize your closet or how to organize your jewelry, how to organize your drawers, how to organize. Now, the last time she did how to organize your pantry, I was totally talking to her about this because I am a bin fanatic. Like if I'm going to organize something, I want everything in these nice, neat little baskets and bins and things like that. So anyways, she has this article on there about how to organize your pantry. And on Facebook, I was razzing her about it. I said, you don't have enough bins in there. So she posted these wire baskets on there. Now I have to totally get these wire baskets. They're on wheels that you can like pull them out of your pantry and your canned goods and everything, or your, like bags of flour, whatever. Anyway, all of that stuff is like in this little basket. You can pull it out. It's right there. It's nice and neat. She's just one of my favorite people. I love going to her blog. She has some really, really great tips that I've incorporated in my home. I know a lot of other people have incorporated her tips into their homes, and she's just so good at detailing everything out, and she'll give you pictures. And I mean, the products are right there that she talks about on her website. She'll give you a link to buy the product on Amazon or on the specialty site or wherever it is. And go to Renee's site. It's called renewyourspace.com. And it's kind of like having your own personal organizer. I love her to death. Anyways, okay, so everybody grab your boogie boards because we are going to surf all the way across the ocean to Ireland. The last blog that I want to take you to has just become a recent favorite because I just met this lady, and the first time I saw her blog, I was in love. She not only lives in one of the most beautiful places on earth, she is a really good photographer. She has this one segment on her blog where she is trying to photograph every beach that surrounds where they live. I don't know how many beaches that is. Apparently there's quite a few, but she does it from her iPhone, and you would never believe that these pictures are taken from her iPhone. They're beautiful. They're stunning. And it just makes you want to go to Ireland. I mean, and then she talks about her home with such a passion. She is so sweet. Her name is Janine Mays, and they call her Jan Mary. So her website is actually www.janmary.com. JANMARY.com. Now, she also does jewelry. If you read some of her jewelry posts, she really is an amazing artist. I mean, this woman has such a beautiful eye. She just has this way of talking about it. And when you read it, it's so cool because you can totally imagine her Irish accent. I know that if you go to janmary.com, you're going to love this website. Tell her that you came to see her from our show or our blog. Now, if you are listening from iTunes, if you're listening to our show from Twitter or from the player off of Facebook, then you need to go to www.thingsinmyheadblog.com. That's where you're going to find all of the links to all of the sites that I've mentioned today. today, as well as all of the links to their Facebook pages. These women are amazing, and they've done such an amazing job of letting you in on a little bit of their life. They've got so many tips, recipes. Yeah, go to the blogs and leave a comment for them and let them know that you came by and that you stopped by from our show. That's it for our Internet Surf Party. I am so glad that you joined us this week. Go to our website at www.thingsinmyheadblog.com. Leave a comment down in our comment section. Let me know what your favorite place to hang out on the web is. Next week, I have a surprise for you guys because you've been waiting. Everybody's been asking me, when are you going to do the coupon show again? Well, it's coming up next week. We're going to be talking to coupon coach Lisa. She is going to be here. She has got this amazing quest that she wants to tell you about. It's totally going to blow your mind. Subscribe to thingsinmyheadblog.com so you don't miss it. Or you can subscribe to us on Blog Lovin'. Please visit us and say hi on Facebook and Twitter. All you have to do is use hashtag Things in My Head, and we'll see you. So until next week, happy surfing, everybody.